Well, howdy, folks. How y'all is? Are spicy are. Anyway, today I met up with Papa Texas, and he gave me some of this here Uncle Steve's shake. Give me two different flavors here. So one of these here, this is the see if I can focus in there. Gator shake, and this one here is called, where is it? Spicy herb. So we're gonna use both these tonight, and I'm gonna show you how. Join me. Ciao, y'all. Now today, all right, folks. So for the first one here, we're gonna use the spicy herb, Uncle Steve's shake. And this here, I'm gonna use some lemons. I got some spicy V8. I got some olives here. And one of the vendors left me this whole bottle of Grey Goose, so isn't that awesome? And a little bit of here of Worcestershire sauce and a little bit of Perrier lime. We're gonna make a little version of a Bloody Mary. Alright, so we use that spicy Uncle Steve shake there to rim the glasses. And instead of putting Tabasco in these like I normally would, I'm going to put a little bit of spice right in there to spicing it up a little bit. Alright, so let's get some vodka in there, some Grey Goose. Put about a shot in each one here. There we go. Next in, some olives. Next thing in there, a little bit of this here Worcestershire sauce.
Woodbridge is the wine that goes with whatever you want it to. It's made for haven't seen each other in over a year and a half wars.
And we'll throw some of this Uncle Steve's down there in the bottom. Nice pinch of that in there for the spicy kick.
Our strength, our power, our purpose.
Alright, I don't know what happened there, folks, but the next thing in was the Perrier and the V8 there. I don't know. I filmed it and it didn't record for some reason. That was weird. Anyway, you can give this a stir or you can give this here a shake. But I don't have a shaker, so we're gonna stir it. So I put a half a can of Perrier, which would be about 4 ounces, and a half a can of spicy V8. About 6 ounces per. And there we go, folks. Should be delicious. Let's try and see. Do think I need a little fresh lemon juice in there. There we go. That's gonna be good now. Cheers, everybody.
Chaplain never said anything about it. Just him being here, playing cards with all of us. Shining a light.
That's tasty. I like the rim in the glass. I got a nice big taste of that Uncle Steve spicy. That's pretty good stuff right there. So anyway, the whole segment that didn't film, I actually put, instead of putting Tabasco, I put a nice pinch of the Uncle Steve's in there, and it's delicious flavor. It makes a great Bloody Mary. Alright, so next up here we got the Gator shake. I just got 3 little chicken breast tenderloins here. We're going to sprinkle some of this on. I have not tried this yet, so from what I hear, it's damn delicious. So we'll go a nice heaping helping here. So in that same skillet, we're gonna take this bird's eye rice cauliflower, savory herb, and saute it up here. I went ahead and put this in the microwave to get it steamed, and then just all we're doing is kind of toasting it up here a little bit in those pan drippings. So I threw a little Parmesan in there, a little more butter, and yeah, this smelling really, really good. I like using them pan drippings from the chicken. That way we got them Uncle Steve shake flavoring this up too. If you're on keto or some low carb diet, this is an excellent meal for you. If you have a bad heart, don't try to eat all that butter. This ain't a good meal for you. Well, there we go, folks. So I didn't have a lot because I haven't been to the store for here in like a month. So I had that chicken frozen and that rice cauliflower frozen, but I would love some green beans or something, but I don't have any. And what I did find, I had, if you remember from about a month ago, I made this velouté sauce, so that'll be a nice little compliment to our dish here. So let's try this Uncle Steve's out on the chicken and see what we think. Well, that is pretty damn delicious, I must say. And if you don't like rice cauliflower, I know some people hate cauliflower, but if you fix it up like that and throw some Parmesan and some seasonings on there, ain't too bad, really. I like cauliflower, but I know some people just hate cauliflower, but you can't even, you can still tell it's cauliflower, I ain't gonna lie, but it has a damn good flavor. Well, folks, I'll have to say that Uncle Steve shake is pretty damn good stuff. Very delicious. That's chef approved. Anyway, see some, get some. I like both the flavors I tried, and I think Papa Texas said there was, I think he said 8 flavors or something like that. A lot of flavors, so check them out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks, Papa Texas, for giving me those to sample on, and we'll see you guys next time.
We'll be right back.